3, 2, 1.
Period.
Bloopers. Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know who I am, I just said it. It's Isabel Bedoya. In today's video, I asked 2 strangers to rate my lingerie, my Savage X Fenty stuff. So let's get into it.
Roxy, guys.
Oh yeah, okay.
My house. Let's get to it.
And I'm here with
Roxy,
Jocelyn.
They were strangers when I asked them to rate my Savage X Fenty. That's what happens when you don't got no boyfriend or like friends that are that available. So
you gotta be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got nothing to hide.
Roxy keeps looking at herself over there. She said we got nothing to hide while she Girl, you're the one that's gonna look dumb with the chicken edit it.
Oh, I can't look there. I gotta look there.
Yeah,
because then you'll look like you're looking down.
Oh,
girl, let's just do it. Let's just rate my outfits.
and we're down.
And they were down, so let's get into it.
Okay.
Ooh,
What the?
Give us
You
a
look
warning.
fire.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I can't stop.
Come on, green.
Okay, I love the color. I love how it's lace. I think I would give this a 10 out of 10 because I love lace.
I think I would give this a 9 out of 10 because I would like it in hiding, but honestly, I just feel like it's so cute.
Okay.
9 out of 10. No, she don't, but I do.
Cute. You ready?
My favorite.
Yeah?
My favorite.
I love the color.
The color is everything.
Yeah.
And it suits your skin tone so fucking well. I love that one. 10 out of 10. 20 out of 10.
Me, I love everything about it. It wouldn't be my favorite. I would give it like an 8 out of 10.
Okay. I really like this bra. I would low-key wear this like a shirt.
Yeah, I was
Like
gonna say
with
that like
the
a
So
shirt,
freaking cute.
So
Yeah.
cute. Okay.
Dude, I love that one.
Okay, I'll be back.
Oh my god, I'm literally picking my nose and shit.
Okay.
Oh my god, so cute.
Yeah?
Yes,
I love that.
It's so adorable. It's like gives me fairy vibes. I don't know why, but it's giving me like fairy vibes. That's like I'm trying to look innocent for daddy type of vibe.
Yeah, I like how it's covered.
Oh
That's
my
so cute.
god, we love it.
That's
here.
so
Right?
cute.
Yes,
I
period.
wish it was a little tighter on me because it's a little big and I have the underwear under, but
I think I would give that a 9 out of 10.
I think I would give that a 10 out of 10.
I would low-key wear this at a sleepover too. Like,
Yeah.
you know, cute little girl tie.
Well, we have this
party.
Yeah, this is cute.
It's kind of like a little skirt.
Comfy, yeah. Okay.
This one's a little... Okay.
That's so cute.
Wait, let me see the back.
Ooh! You're not showing.
Okay.
But it got the little X on the back. It has the cute little X right here as well.
I could rate this one an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, this one's not really like all that. I think I would give this like a 7 out of 10.
I don't really wear like thongs thing like this because y'all know how I feel, but it's cute. You know, it's sexy.
I think
like
it's
the little details.
I think it's really sexy.
This bra is super comfortable. We love being comfortable and feeling sexy at the same time. This is definitely it. Go get one quick. Y'all ready?
We ready.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Period. Oh, okay.
Listen, I love the lingerie, but this
is you, bitch.
This is
everything.
This needs
This
to be
is
called
me.
the Issa sweatsuit because this is what she be wearing.
Dude,
That
I'm
onesie.
I'm always
The material?
in baggy
Love it.
things. No, it's so good and inside it's so nice and warm, but like not too warm.
Yeah.
You know when shit is like, you're like, ugh.
I love that. Honestly, I
Yeah.
would give that a 10 out of 10.
We love
This
it.
is my favorite one, period.
Yeah, I love this is fire.
I think I would probably give it like a 10 out of 10 too.
Oh, and it has pockets.
Okay, sis, come through,
Okay, Savage X
Rihanna.
Fenty.
Okay, come see you.
Oh, I love that.
We love it here.
I would low-key wear this to the club just because I'm that bitch and I could. Like, I would just swag it out a little bit.
French.
Just like, you know, a little like that with maybe some heels, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, sis.
If y'all liked any of these looks, I'm about to tell you guys how to get it, but with a discount, because y'all know I'm all about saving the coins. So if you guys become a VIP member, you guys can get...
How do you become a VIP member?
You just sign up. But if y'all really want to save, you guys can shop from November 26th until the 30th for... Y'all ain't ready. Which, by the way, is their biggest sale ever, like ever. This is legendary.
Like ever,
this is iconic. Savage X Fenty never does this, but 26th of November till the 30th, you guys can get 65% off site-wide, okay? And free shipping if you become a VIP member. Okay.
You guys have to become a VIP member right now.
Save
Honestly,
them coins.
I feel like we should put on the glasses because this is a fucking party.
All my cousins about to get that Savage X
All the tias are about to get
for
that
Christmas.
Right, no, this is literally like a great way to give gifts because y'all literally get so much discount. Honestly, the only way for y'all to get the super biggest sale that they've ever had is by clicking the link on my description box, and you guys will, yeah, that's the only way.
Oh, bless you.
That's the only way to get the sale. And
Click the freaking link.
Because like now that they have this, it's like, okay, so you guys can get lingerie, pajamas, bras,
and
bralettes.
tag Isa.
And tag me.
I just want to say this shit is my favorite one.
Right? I want to stay with this eye. Alright, well, thank you guys for rating my outfits. I appreciate y'all. So thank you guys for coming through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Exactly. Okay. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.